Good morning. It's currently 6:45, and we are setting off to head to the airport. We woke up pretty early, 5 a.m. Feel very sleepy, but anyway, it is what it is. So I set to go to the airport, and hope we reach safely, and we pray for God's protection. The roads are a bit very slippery this morning, but we hope for the best. We're just trying to fill gas and get ready for the road. Let me show you guys how the road is very slippery. You see, the road is very shiny, so that means it definitely froze overnight, and so that means it's very slippery this morning. But you know what, we hope for the best and we pray we reach safely. Otherwise, bye-bye for now. So we are ready to go. This baby will be over there.
Hello.
And we hope wish us a safe trip, and bye for now. Bye. Ready to go. See you guys on the other side.
We are pleased to offer a wide variety of alcoholic beverages for get up and move up again and gather your belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items can shift around during flight. Please refrain from smoking or vaping until inside the terminal and only designated areas. If you have requested assistance or complaints, please remain seated until all the other passengers have deplaned or until our customer service representative arrives to assist you. You may not use mobile phones or other handheld electronic devices. Please refrain from using laptops and computers at this time.
I was from Allegiant. So Allegiant, we're gonna go there at a massive lady. And that's where we're gonna go. It's no entry. Hey, beyond this point, keep going, and we then come out. Music City, they say. Okay. Ooh la la. It's beautiful. Hello, sir. Sir? Oh my god, they just hit you into the highway. Can you imagine?
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más.
So we are in Nashville and just filling up gas, and then we'll be heading over down to Huntsville. The roads, I don't know if I can drive on these roads, but it's something that I think I have to learn, and it's something that you need to learn, especially if you're in big cities. It's the roads are the roads are very crazy because people drive very fast on the roads, and especially highways. You have to be very bold and very confident to do that. So we'll see. So as I was saying, the driving here is so rough. Just handling all the pressure, I don't know.
Encontrando vida en el camino, melodías que no hemos tocado, y yo no quiero descansar. Resuena por la pared, creando una canción. No quiero perder el ritmo, y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en